Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I have the Haitian chicken filling for you, or farce. We use this typically for a whole bunch of dishes. Remember to like this video, share it with a friend, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and turn on the notification bell for more videos. We typically use this dish in patties and all sorts of different type of appetizers. I went ahead and cleaned my meat. I have some dry rub here and some épices that I'm going to be using. This is what my chicken looked like once it's done cleaning. I'm going to go ahead and add those things in, and to be sure to well marinate my chicken so we can get ready to cook it. Now, if you are new to my channel and you don't know what the épice is, I will link the video in the description box and you can click on it and go check it out and see how I make it. For the dry rub, I used a mix of adobo seasoning, seasoned salt, Creole seasoning, chicken rub, chicken poultry, onion powder, and a little bit of garlic powder and a little bit of salt. Now you want to make sure your chicken is very well seasoned because we're not adding anything else once we get ready to do the meat filling. So you want to make sure that you are being quite generous when you are marinating your chicken. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this meat filling because I'm going to be doing a number of videos using this. So I wanted to show you guys first how I get the meat prepped, because I'm going to be showing you guys some different appetizers that you guys can make for weddings, parties, all types of stuff. So right here, this is a little shallot that I don't typically use, but it does give this a nice flavor. So it's a mix of onions, bell peppers, and the little shallots, and the purple onion as well that I'm using. I have the dry oregano, and I have tomato paste dissolved in water, and some chicken broth that I'm going to be using as well. So you want to grab your pot, and once it get hot, add your oil in. I have my stove set at medium-high heat. Once your oil get hot, you're going to be adding in your veggies, and again, it's just some bell peppers, onions, a little shallot, the purple onion, and I have some habanero pepper as well in there just for a little kick. If you don't want it spicy though, you can definitely skip the habanero pepper out. I'm going to stir it, and I did add a tiny bit of Creole seasoning on here just to get the veggies to have some flavor. I didn't want it to be bland, so that's what I'm doing. That's what I'm going to do, I should say. But yeah, you want to get this to be nice and sauteed, and then you're going to be adding our chicken. I did shred my chicken off camera, but if you have a food processor, you can throw that in there and use that, or if you have a bullet, you can also do it in there. But I do like to get my hands dirty when I'm cooking, so I use my hands to shred the chicken, and it also gives me control on how thin I want it. I like mine to be a little bit chunky. I know some people, when they do theirs, they want it to be very, very thin. Excuse me. But yeah, this is how I did mine. Go ahead and add your chicken in, stir it, let it saute a little bit, and then we're going to add our tomato paste that we had dissolved in water next. Alright, so I'm adding the tomato paste that I had dissolved in water, and the reason why I'm adding that in there is just for color. I want a nice color to this, so that's why I'm adding it. And now I'm going to be taking that same chicken broth that the chicken was cooked in, and I'm going to add it in there so it could be nice and saucy. So go ahead and do that, and then that's pretty much it. We're gonna stir it again, and then we're gonna put our stove on simmer so we can let this simmer down until it's good to go. So add your chicken broth, stir it, and then you want to make sure you taste it as well. Make sure you taste it to that it has the flavor that you want. That way, if you need more, you can add a little bit more seasoning. But like I said, I made sure that my chicken was very well seasoned, so I didn't need to add anything else in there that had salt in it. All I did was add some oregano to give it the finishing touches, and that was it. Again, guys, as stated before, you can use this when you're making patties. You can use this when you're making sliders, which I will show you how to do. You can use this in a number of different ways. You could use this in your mac and cheese. You could use it on anything. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Keep in mind that I will be having a video every day in October. For my birthday, I decided it's my birthday month, why not? I'll do a video every day. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are new to my channel and you like what you see, please be sure to subscribe for more videos. And if you like, share this with a friend. And welcome to my channel if you're new here. And be sure to leave me a comment in the comment down below and let me know what you think of this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.